So this is a review for the Fisher-Price Laugh and Learn Smart Stages vacuum. You can buy it for $19.99 at Walmart, Target, or ToysRUs. With the Smart Stages vacuums, they now come with different stages for different ages. They start about at 6 months when they're sitting up on their own and like repetitive sounds. Then stage 2 starts at about 12 months. And stage 3 begins anywhere between 18 months and 2 years, depending on your child. The vacuum has a pretend on and off switch for your child to pretend to turn the vacuum on and off. We turn it.
Level 2. Let's learn something new.
So if we turn it to level 2,
On.
when you turn it on,
Just funny.
it makes a vacuum noise and it sings you a
Just
song.
funny. Time to clean some more.
And you can push the different buttons
That's a green triangle.
and it gives you different stuff to learn.
Where's the yellow? Sing a song while cleaning. La 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 dee day. It makes the job go quickly, and then there's time to play.
The green button tells you, each button will tell you the color and the shape that's on there. This one does music, this one does ABCs, and this one does your numbers. Does 1, 2, 3.
You found a yellow circle. 1, 2, 3. Count.
You can see
Level. Level 1.
On
So
level-
let's have some fun.
so level 1's just for it laying
Let's
down
sing.
and
Do,
just
re,
repetitive
mi.
sounds and music. And then
Level
level 3
Let's pretend.
is for pretending
Yippee!
with
Me,
your
oh
bigger
my,
kids.
Oh, what a mess.
Yep.
Clean it up now. Do your best.
And while you make it zoom around, no, it's supposed to go up, honey. When you make it zoom around, it plays music and apparently he's not going to show you how it really works.
Me, oh my,
So
oh, what a
that
mess.
is our
Clean it
review
up
for
now.
the
Do your
Fisher-Price Laugh and Learn Smart Stages vacuum.